Level It Multi-Pro is a two-part, semi-rapid, moisture-tolerant, multi-purpose smoothing underlayment. Level It Multi-Pro has a working time of up to 45 minutes and can be walked on after 2 to 2.5 hours. A floor covering can be installed after 4 hours. Level It Multi-Pro can be applied from depths of 2 to 15 millimeters. The subfloor does not need to be primed, but we would always recommend it on porous substrates. Priming on porous substrates will give you a better flow, better working time and a nicer finish prior to installing a floor covering. In today's application, we have gone over the top of a bitumen adhesive residue. It has a 45-minute working time, which meant we had plenty of time to go away and mix up the next unit before returning to the same area and blending the two mixes together seamlessly.